Tyler?
I am officially ready. I am so ready. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, you're wondering why this big bright smile is on my face? Well, like Tyler, well, I guess you guys know by the title of this video, my heart is nervous inside, but my mind is right. I know that I'm nervous now, but the minute I step in, I'll be fine. I'm saying this because today is my first day of work, and I don't normally vlog on this particular day of the week, but I have to document this first historic, momentous moment. So I'll be vlogging today just to document this memory for me in years to come, to see that I have a memory of my first day of work. So how are you guys doing? Today is my first day of work. Baby's off to work, and today I actually get my brand new internet change. So the guy came early this morning, changed all the internet, change all the TV stuff and everything, so we should have faster, better internet. I haven't checked it out as yet, but that should be awesome. Now my video should be up in like 15 minutes these days of uploading, so that is good. I'll be sure to let you guys know how it's going and if I'm satisfied with the new internet. But right now I'm on an afternoon shift, so I'm not at work in the latter part of the day. So I am about to go and make breakfast and get right into dinner, because I have to cook so that when babe come home, he'll have Tyler dinner to feed Tyler, and he will have his dinner, so he won't have to worry about that. Because when I am leaving for work, babe will be in time to get Tyler, so Tyler won't be off to daycare just yet, but in the long run he will as time goes by. But for now, babe will be getting him. So I'm about to jump into breakfast and then jump into dinner and all of that, and just get my routine in and see how it goes, because your girl can't be late and she will not be late. So let's go. It's an exciting day. So hopefully you guys are doing well. I will not be working out today, and I make sure I am relaxed and I'm not tired and I get enough rest, so I'll be okay. And Tyler, you're pretty exciting. What do you want? No, those are the internet boxes. You can't get those. Say hello. Blow them kisses. No. You guys, babe bring me home these gorgeous flowers yesterday from work, but because yesterday wasn't a vlog day, so you guys didn't get to see when he bring them home for me. So these are my gorgeous flowers. But the thing with me and flowers is that most flowers I can't stand the smell of it. It makes me start sneeze and I get stuffy, and obviously this one is in the kitchen because I had it in the living room yesterday and I feel like I was stifling after a while, so I had to move it to the kitchen. But it's beautiful and I like it. So I'm in the kitchen right now, and I have some jerk chicken right here which I seasoned. I'm going to put it in this pan real quick. I'm going to put it in this pan real quick so that I can have something to eat before I head off to work, and babe will have dinner when he gets home. Guys, jerk chicken finish. Mission accomplished. Now I need to go and figure out what to make with this for lunch and what to make with it for dinner, so when babe come home we can have something to eat. And the breakfast is ready. All right, you guys, typical Melissa breakfast, some kind of craziness. So this is all I'm having for breakfast this morning. My eggs, and I'm having 2 plums, which I'm in love with these days, and I'm having a cup of tea, detox to be exact. So breakfast time. Okay guys, so I decided to make some steamed broccoli and carrots for dinner, and I'm doing enough so I can have some lunch from that. And I'm making mashed sweet potato for Tyler, so babe can have something to feed him dinner when he comes home. And the chicken sauce is here, and the chicken is under here already. Oh, already feeling the pressure, can you tell? But that's okay, I love being this busy. Now it's just around Tyler's lunchtime, so I'm going to feed him lunch, and then in about half an hour or 45 minutes to an hour I'll put him down for a nap. Alright guys, food is all done. Sauce there, mashed sweet potato for Ty, and veggies for babe and I, and Ty, jerk chickens there. Not a bad start for my first day. You guys, I am officially ready. I am so ready. I'm actually about to give Tyler his bottle and wait on babe, because babe is gonna receive him. So it's funny because the bus that babe is coming in is the bus that I'm going to go on. So baby's getting off and I'm going on. So yeah, but I think Tyler sensed that I'm about to leave because he went for his shoes and he he go for his stroller. Look at him going for his stroller. Tyler, where are you going with the stroller? You want to sit? Oh my god. This is ridiculous. You need to go and have your bottle. You need to go and have your bottle. I know when I go on that bus and he realized that I'm gone, maybe on his way home, he's going to start crying regardless of him being with babe. But anyway, I'm dressed. Babe has been calling me and asking me, honey, are you okay? Do you have something to tell me? You sure you're okay? He's just making me nervous. I am not nervous, but he's just making me nervous. I just tell him, babe, get off the phone. Stop asking me all these questions because you're making me nervous. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Good job. Look who finished their bottle. Alright, you guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys to chill with babe and Tyler while I head off to work. And I'll tell you guys how it goes as soon as I get back.
Hi guys. So it's officially the first day. Ben went to work. So I went to pick up Tyler. So I'm gonna keep Tyler for the next like 3 hours and a half. Tyler is actually crying. I think he started to miss babe. So let's go look for him. Tyler? Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Tyler? Tyler? Tu fais coucou? Coucou. Alright, so I think he's sad, I don't know, so I'm gonna try to maybe to go outside to try to keep him calm. Tyler? Tyler? Hi guys, this is what we are playing all along. Tyler just started to pack his stuff together. He been very nice. He been very nice all times. He just cried for about 2, 3, 5 minutes at the beginning, and then we start to play together. He completely forget everything.
Hi Fibs, day 1 done. Day 1 is done, shoddy, and I'm feeling good. Work was good, it was exciting, it was awesome. So in case you guys wondering how I did, it was good for me. But now I'm hungry, honey, hungry. How are you guys doing? Did you guys miss me? Hope you guys enjoy spending time with Tyler and Babe. And we're heading home now. You guys, I'm just going to jump straight in and give you the Jamaican expression for today, and that is because Game of Thrones is annoying me and it's getting on my last nerve. So the Jamaican expression for today is "Me never seen nothing like this." Means I have never seen anything like this. It's just a Jamaican patois. I'm saying that because we're in season what, babe? Season 2?
Season 2, episode 8 just finished.
Season 2, episode 8, and Game of Thrones is still boring. I still don't get it. Babe and I still bored watching the movie. We're still on our phones watching the movie, and when you're on your phone when you're watching a movie, it simply means that you have no interest in the movie whatsoever. I'm still waiting on the hype that everybody's going on about it. I'm still waiting for it to grab my attention. I just don't get what the hype is about, but I'm still gonna watch it. I just don't get what the hype is about.
You watch it because you have the hope that it's going to get better.
Right, I watch it because I have a hope that it's going to get better, not because it's good. I just don't understand it, you guys. I just don't understand it. Anyway, babe, come on, this is the Jamaican expression for today.
Me never see
Nothing like this.
nothing.
Nothing.
I don't bother you when you say you are and all of these things, so don't bother me for this one. Okay?
Me never see nothing like
Me
this.
never see nothing like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a French word for today. For today, the French word gonna be travail. Travail simply means work. I'm not gonna tell you why I say this word. I guess you figured. Say travail.
Travail.
No, travail.
Travail.
Okay.
The R.
Yeah, but you bother me with your name. Alright guys, so make sure you get this word, travail.
Yes, Tyler is off to bed, you guys. He didn't get to tell you guys bye. Spent a little time with him when I got home, and he's now off to bed. And I'm about to go to bed because my eye is getting red, which means I need to take off my second face and jump in bed. So, as you guys can see, my first day of work was really good. It was good. I enjoyed my first day. So, yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn on your notification bell, that way you won't miss a vlog. And of course we upload a vlog every day except on Saturdays, bonus videos most Sundays. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. You gonna stick out my eye?
I want to try.
Your hand action as always.
Bye guys, we love you.